What's up guys? Welcome back to another DS18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and today we got the ZXI component set. 6.5 inches, two-way component set. Let's open the box and see what we got. So we got the DS18 cut board, sticker, got a DS18 manual. We got some hardware. We got two DS18 6.5 inches, the ZXIs. Got some wires in there. Got two crossovers and two dome tweeters. So now that we've seen what's inside the box, let's open these guys out and see how they look. Got the 6.5. We got the crossover. And we got the tweeter. Let's close this up. Let's start off with the crossover. Check out that crossover. Real nice, real small, sleek. Black plexiglass. It has on the bottom part the woofer and the tweeter input. On the top it comes with the input terminals. Real nice. Take a look on now at the tweeter. Nice beautiful dome tweeter. Cool sleek design as well. And now the 6.5 mesh grill. It has the rubber surround. Glass fiber cone which looks like carbon fiber. This is a real heavy 6.5 inch woofer or mid bass. Real nice. Has a nice magnet cover, magnet boot. You can see the specs on the back. Two-way component. 240 watts max, 80 watts RMS 4 ohms. The new ZXI 62C component set by DS18. Thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.